Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. It's just an icy blue cut crease and I really love it and it challenged me a lot. I'm not wearing any false lashes with a cut crease, I know, but I had a little bit of a struggle and you'll hear about it a lot in the video because I rant a lot. I still really like how the eyes turned out, surprisingly. This is my first cut crease on my channel, so I'm super excited. I recreated a look that I did the other day, and if you follow me on Instagram, you saw on my Instagram story, it was a little more dramatic than this one. Like, I had like glitter tears and everything, which I'm not going to be doing that today. I really hope you enjoy the video, and let's just get started. So I've already prepped my lids with my Santee Supersmooth concealer, and then I set it with the cream shade from the Carli Bybel palette. I'm going to be doing this look that I did the other day. That looks real dramatic because like I did like glitter tears and blue lips. And my brows were like super thick because I was just playing with my brows. So yeah, that's what I did the other day. And that's kind of what I'm going for. The shades I'm using like on the crease is actually this shade slash these two shades from the Wet n Wild Poster Child palette. And it's actually like really good. Like I thought they'd be pretty hard to blend, but they're not. And then the lid shade is this shade from the Carli Bybel palette, and ooh girl, is this so pretty. I'm gonna go with the brow bone and the eyelid shade. Those two, just kind of mix them together. For my transition shade, there's probably going to be some blue transferring because of the brush, but it's okay. I don't really feel like cleaning them, and this isn't going to do much. I'm going to go in with that second blue shade so that whenever I do it, there's some blue already up in the crease and I don't have to worry about blending too much. I've done it twice before, and the first time I did it, I really liked how it turned out the first time, but I couldn't really get it like the way I wanted it to. The first time I did it, I did that color with a purple and then like warm brown orange in the crease, and oh girl, isn't that so pretty, but I could not get it blended for the life of me. So I was like, I'll just do this one, and if y'all want that one, I can do that one. They'll be pretty similar, but this one is a lot more dramatic, so I can still do that one if y'all want to see that because I love that look. I'll just try and do it a couple more times before so I can practice. But now I'm mixing the two dark blue shades. I'm gonna start like building this up on the outer corner. I'm gonna take a dense brush. The first time I used this, I didn't think it was gonna be like that pigmented. I thought I was gonna have to like work with it and it'd be patchy, but it's pretty good, pretty good. I'm trying to keep this on the very outer corner. Once I take this and do this, then I go in a little bit with the black shade and kind of deepen it up. I'm gonna kind of blend it first to make sure it's all blended. I always do kind of bring a little extra out on the outer corner because I want it to clean up evenly. Blend it upwards. The key to good eye looks is blending, blending, blending. Now I feel like this one's a lot more blown out than this one because this one is up to my brow, which I don't like, but maybe we should go out of our comfort zone a little bit and put it more closely to the brow because I never do that. I'm going to add just a little bit of the black, but I'm going to mix it with the blue so it doesn't go on too black. It stays blue, but still deepening it up. And how I measure it, I kind of like make sure they're on the same parts of the eye, and that's how I make sure they're even. I have a little hack. So if you have foundations that you don't use anymore, just use them to cut the crease. I'm going to use this foundation that I never use anymore. I use this like teeny little lip brush. Not a professional at this. I'm going to basically draw it to wherever that is, And then just kind of open my eye, look around. There we go. It might be a little high for some people, and I thought it was way too high at first when I did it, but I kind of like drawing it a little wider. I just thought that it's better whenever it's taller because you can't really see it if it's not tall. Like whenever you close your eye, it kind of just disappears. And I just kind of tap it out. We're going to take that highlighter shade, and the first thing I do is put it on this brush, and then I'll pack it on with my finger. Then we're just going to go in with our finger. My forehead hurts. This brush is the most handy thing ever. Detail Crease brush. Now I'm going to go in with that light blue shade, tap it off, and kind of blend it. It's obviously a cut crease that's supposed to be harsh, but if there is any like shimmery color, then it's kind of gone. Try and blend it. For me, this is the hardest part, is making this look blended. Okay, now I'm going to do the other eye off camera. Okay, I finally finished, and no, it's not perfect. I'm going to put some lashes on. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I think I might just do Alexis. Update on the Alexis lashes. They are back on the website. They just aren't in stock, so hopefully that means they're going to restock them soon. I'm going to go put my lashes on, and then I'm going to do my base off camera because I'm filming another video. It has been quite a couple of hours since I last talk to you. So I did finally get my base done, but I filmed the video, went awful, but what first started out awful was my Alexis lashes finally gave out on me, so we're just gonna have to do just mascara because I tried to try other lashes. Like, I thought that I was gonna have to scrap this entire video, but I just know that I'm not going to get Alexis lashes for a while because, oh my goodness, it's like literally so annoying. Basically, all I'm wearing right now is Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum Concealer all over my face. I set it with NYC Smooth Skin Powder just because I didn't feel like it. And I know I try not to use that because of, I don't even know why, but I don't use it for some reason. And I use that contour palette from Shop Miss A. For my highlighter, I just mixed these 3 highlighters. And I didn't even realize that like those 3 go together and those 3 go together. I'm going to go in with that light blue on the Detail Crease brush. And I love this eye look. I feel like it's kind of like challenging though. I'm going in with that dark blue shade. I'm going to use the I Heart This Supershock shadow from Colourpop and put it on inner corner and lower lash line. You'll see what I'm doing. I'm not going to leave it like this. Then I'm going to take the pink shade I've been using from the Carli Bybel palette and go on top of it. And I'm going to go in with this. I really want to go watch Friends because I haven't watched it in so long because I have just had the craziest life recently. I feel so bad for not posting. I like came in and I was like, I want to post twice a week. Huh. After like 3 weeks, I'm like not posting twice a week. Like, that's the worst thing ever. But wow, I like actually really love this eye look. I'm like beating on it a lot, but I still really like how it turned out. For the lips, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild Rebel Rose just because I feel like a cool tone. Mauve shade would be good. I still really hope you enjoyed this video, even though I was kind of negative towards the end, but I still love this eye look so much, and it did challenge me because 1, cut crease, 2, to the brow, 3, no lashes. Tell me down below if you want more cut creases or just any makeup looks you want to see, if you liked this or if you think this is like awful. Just be honest. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave any video recommendations down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. It's fine. Let's get started. Yeah, let's just get started, okay? Sorry, whatever. Do not judge a tea batch, okay? Whatever. It's fine, okay? I'm like about to like, I just want to scream, you know?